Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is the next model I'm going to build. It is the Eduard Il Magnifico, the Hanriot HD1 in Italian service. It's 1/48 scale, and there's a couple of choices for decals and things like that. So I just thought this seemed like a good place to start. Get my chops again a little bit on, oops. I'm actually building an airplane again. All the pieces. Looks like some nice detail on the engine. A little bit of a windscreen right there. Yeah, this should be fun. Let's see here. Yeah, we got some photo etch. Looks like for the cockpit dials. Let's see what else we got in here. Yeah, have to see how that goes together. Looks like they've got some masking as well. And here are all the decals. The one with the playing cards are pretty cool. Although this looks pretty cool too. This banner. You can see that. It looks like it's got skulls on it or balloons or something. Looks like balloons. Anyway, there we go. So, a couple of choices there. This is the first time I'm doing a Roto Kit airplane. I have not even looked at these things yet, so yeah, photo etch. Everything looks like it's pretty well detailed. That's good. You can see they got them colored as to where the pieces actually go. It's like different markings and things like that. Doesn't seem to be overly complicated. Yeah, there we go. Liquid mask. Mask stuff off. Here's the painting guides. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of a modeled paint job, camouflage on that. This is from the 78A Squadron of Italy in 1918. The Italian flag underneath. Pretty cool looking. This one's from 76th Squadron, also from Italy, 1918. Nice silver color, and again the Italian flag on the bottom. (1918) 85th Squadron. That's cool colors on this one. This is, yeah, I might go with this. We'll see what happens. (81st Squadron). Ooh, wow, look at that one. 78th Squadron. Look at the modeling on that. Very, very cool. Very cool. And the 80th Squadron. Pretty cool details. Oh, and here's a ad for the Newport 17. So here we go. A little unboxing. That's the next build I'm going to do. So we're going to get started on that in the next day or two. Start getting stuff pulled out. Start looking at it all. And yeah, wish me luck on this one. I haven't built a plane in a while. But there we go. All right. Everybody have a great day. Wonderful week. And I will talk to you all real soon. Please like, share, comment on the video. And thank you again to all my subscribers and to any new subscribers. Thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you'll like the content here. All right, everybody, again, enjoy, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.